Question number 1. What is the currency of Nigeria? The correct answer is option C, Naira. The Nigerian Naira is the official currency of Nigeria. Question. What is the currency of Sri Lanka? The correct answer is option A, rupee. The Sri Lankan rupee LKR is the official currency of Sri Lanka. Question. What is the currency of Nepal? The correct answer is option B, rupee. The Nepali rupee is the currency of Nepal. Question. What is the currency of Singapore? The correct answer is option B, dollar. Singapore uses the Singapore dollar as its official currency. Question. What is the currency of Israel? The correct answer is option A, shekel. Question. What is the currency of Morocco? The correct answer is option A, dirham. Question. What is the currency of Zimbabwe? The correct answer is option A, dollar. Question. What is the currency of Kenya? The correct answer is option B, shilling. Last question is, what is the currency of Tanzania? The correct answer is option C, shilling.